Good afternoon. Today we see next chapter, that is conic section. First one, parabola. Standard equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. What is a and y and x? See first concept, that is focus, axis of conic, vertex, focal chord, latus rectum, that is known as LR. See page number 142 for definition. That is, next one, eccentricity 6e, E equal to eccentricity. Eccentricity is the ratio SP to PM. If E is equal to 1, then that conic is parabola. That is, yes, P is any point on the conic, SP and PM perpendicular to directrix. That line is known as directrix. See over here, conic, that is y-axis, x-axis. Parabola is symmetric about x-axis. That equation is known as y square equal to 4ax. Focus, yes, A 0, that is distance A. Similarly, directrix is line opposite to y-axis at a distance A from y-axis. Now, directrix, equation of directrix is x equal to minus A or x plus A equal to 0. See over here and write in your notebook, that is L dash is the latus rectum. This is known as, this is focus. This is latus rectum. And this line D is known as directrix. Directrix. See and write in your notebook, that is the parabola. Here write in your notebook, that is latus rectum, focus, directrix and focus. Vertex, focal chord. A line about which a conic section is symmetric is called axis of the conic. See over here, a line about which a conic section is symmetric is called axis of conic. That is, x-axis is the axis of conic. Now, vertex, the point of intersection of conic section with its axis of symmetry is called vertex. Focal distance, the distance of a point on a conic section from the focus is called focal distance of the point. Latus rectum, a focal chord of conic section which is perpendicular to the axis of symmetry is known as latus rectum which is perpendicular to axis, that is latus rectum L dash. End points of latus rectum is A to A minus to A. See over here, first parabola, that is quadrant first and fourth. Now we see second parabola. First parabola, this is y square equal to 4x. Focus A0. Directrix x equal to minus A. Now second parabola, opposite, that is y square equal to minus 4x. Directrix. Equation of directrix is x equal to A, focus, minus A0. That is x axis, that is y axis. Here y square equal to 4x lies on first and fourth quadrant. Y square equal to minus 4x lies on second and third quadrant. See these two parabolas and directrix. Equation of directrix is x equal to A, that is x minus A equal to 0. X equal to A means x minus A equal to 0. Similarly, third one and fourth. Similarly, third parabola, that is x square equal to 4by. 0b, y-axis, y equal to minus b, that is directrix. That is third parabola. Now fourth parabola is x square equal to minus 4by. Focus 0 minus b, directrix y equal to b. That parabola lies on third and fourth quadrant. Third and fourth quadrant. Third parabola lies on first and second quadrant. That is x square equal to 4by. X square equal to minus 4by. See and write in your notebook. That is parabola number fourth one. That is parabola number 4. First parabola lies first and fourth quadrant, that is y square equal to 4x. Second, y square equal to minus 4x. Third, x square equal to 4by. And fourth, x square equal to minus 4by. See page number 143, that is page number 143. Diagram. Draw in your notebook, that is paper 1, chapter 7, diagram number 4. And for that, see, focus. Number first. Number second, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. DRECTRIX. Third one, vertex. Fourth one, end points of latus rectum. End points of LR. Fifth one, length of latus rectum. Length of LR. For parabola, y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to minus 4x. Or x square equal to 4by. Focus A0, 0b. A0, 0b. X plus A equal to 0. Y plus B equal to 0. Vertex O, 0, 0. O, 0, 0. Now, end points of latus rectum. A plus or minus 2A, 2B, B. Plus or minus 2B, B. Plus or minus 2B, B. Length of latus rectum, that is mod 4A. Mod 4B. See and write in your notebook, that is parabola. Focus. Parabola. Equation of directrix. Vertex. End points of latus rectum and end points of latus rectum and parabola. Standard equation of parabola, that is now terms. Parabola. See over here. For parabola, y square equal to 4ax. We know focus A 0. Equation of directrix x plus a equal to 0. Vertex 0, 0. End points of lattice rectum a plus or minus 2a. Length of lattice rectum mod 4a. Similarly for parabola x square equal to 4 by. Write chart. Page number. Write in your notebook. Write in your notebook. Write in your notebook. See and write in your notebook. That is the parabola. For a parabola, x square equal to similarly you can solve next example, that is exercise 7.2. 7.1 and 2. Seven point one. Example number, that is standard equation of parabola. ज्याप्रमाणे सर्कलचं इक्वेशन असतं त्याप्रमाणे पॅराबोलाला फोकस डिरेक्ट्रिक्स प्रॉपर्टी एस पी इक्वल टू ई पी एम. एस पी इक्वल टू ई पी एम. एस पी इक्वल टू ई पी एम. E is known as eccentricity. SP upon PM. E equal to 1, that conic is known as parabola. Ratio SP to PM 1 असेल तर parabola. E less than 1 असेल तर ellipse. E greater than 1 असेल तर hyperbola. E equal to 1, E less than 1, E greater than 1. E less than 1, 0 greater than E. And E greater than 1 असेल तर ellipse. Similarly, you can solve 3 parabolas, that is SP. What is E? E is known as eccentricity. Eccentricity is the ratio SP to PM. SP, distance from focus and distance from directrix, that is known as